Hi guys, hi. So, hi and welcome back to Homemade by Sibo. I am Sibo. I'm just trying to see if everything is connected here. Hi and welcome back to Homemade by Sibo. Namkuhlan. So please excuse my voice and my huffing and puffing. So today is Thursday. I want to do a gardening video. We are already starting to get frost in my area, so I figured, why don't I just cover up my plants and protect them? Because you guys know I spent a lot of money on these plants last year. Anyways, so today I want to cover up all my plants. But before I do that, I just want to show you guys how the garden looks right now, because I don't think I've really given you guys. All I've been doing is just work on the garden, but nothing really to show. This is how far I've gone and how it looks now and stuff like that. All you see is just little snippets here and there. Oh, my arm, it feels like I'm doing an arm day. I'm just gonna show you guys quickly before I make this video any longer than it needs to be. Okay, so we are gonna start here. Never mind this, I took out all these pipes from the previous plumbing that I did for the garden, but I'm gonna be using them on my planter boxes, so no worries about that. I'm also gonna be using these frost guards today. And I also have 50 meters that I bought from my friend who owns a nursery. Okay, so, and then these two, I'm yet to find something that I'm gonna be using them for. This one, I'm gonna be using it, actually I just want Shadrach to help me with my daughter to move that to one, which is there. You guys are gonna see it now. I'm gonna be planting my tulips there, because here I've planted my strawberries, but we're gonna start here. These are blueberries. I need to put them on the ground because I feel like these 3 pots I can use them somewhere close to veranda, patio, or by my garages or something. So I have future plans for them. So those are blueberries. I've got one which is already on the ground. I'll show it to you guys. And then here I've got a nachi. And believe it or not, that nachi is same year, and it's supposed to be this big like this one, but it got some frostbite from, I think, 2021. We had black frost, so it hit it very hard, but it's picking up. If it doesn't completely pick up, I'm gonna uproot it and just leave this one and then put my avocado tree here. And then here I have the strawberries you guys saw, and I need to get them situated also I think with some leaves there for mulching, and take out all these grass weeds. It's not a lot, so yeah. My strawberries here on this, my first ever box before I did the other ones. And then here I've got a plum tree, and then there in there, you guys, oh, if it can focus, there I've got some hydrangeas which I bought from Lifestyle Home and Garden last year. And then this is a lemon tree. It's already started to give little blooms here, and some buds for new lemons. Luckily, the one and only lemon that I bought this tree with, my husband used it and made me breakfast with. And then here I have an apple tree, and there, that's a kumquat tree. It also needs to be planted on the ground, but it wasn't doing so well. Also, it got hit by black frost, but now, since I took it from the ground and just potted it there and covered it up nicely. And then this is the other blueberry that I planted here. This is where the kumquat was previously, and you guys can see that I've got some irrigation system happening there. I did that was it last year or 2021? I think it was spring or summer 2021. So yeah, I've got that there. And this mulching, this bark mulch, I just added it a couple of weeks ago with my husband. And then here I have a pomegranate tree, and you guys, please don't be grossed out. I've got I've got some a fly trap here. Okay, so as I was saying, I've got a fly trap there. We've got a lot of flies around, and yes, it is winter time, but we still have a lot of flies because of all the farms around in Free State in general. There's a lot of farms, so we get a lot of flies because of all the animals. But this is a peach tree, and then here I have a banana tree, and then this one is still new. I got from a nursery close by. It's what do they call it? A plum tree, but this one is the type that doesn't give fruits or anything like that. It just gives this nice reddish, purplish type of leaves. And on this side, I have those grasses there at the back, which I got from one of the pots from my mother-in-law. And then this is my one of the plants I got. It's a sorry guys, it's oh my gosh, a hydrangea. It's a hydrangea. The ones that I got from Adin Flowers, I got 3 of them. There's the other one there. Yes, zoomed in too much. Calm down, Sibo, calm down. Okay, and then I've got all these beautiful flowery plants here that I got from oh, what's the nursery again? Yes, the one I've been talking about, Lifestyle. And then these I got from my friend in, when was it? I think 2019. They stayed in a plastic bag covered, the roots covered with a newspaper for like a year before we moved to the house. That was the first time I planted them, was here at the house. And then more plants there. I'm left with only 2 of the lavender bushes. I took out the other 2. The one was there and another one was there. And then here, this is more like my play area for all things colorful, things that they are things that are seasonal. I normally plant them here, but right now I've got the dahlias, these mini dahlias, and I've got my daffodils that are busy, I think, springing up little by little here. I saw them now the other day popping up, but because the leaves here, so yeah. And I've got tulips there as well. And here I've got these princess lilies. I've got 2 varieties. The one is red, the other one is pink. And then I'm gonna put the other pot here, just there, so that I can plant my tulips. I'm also gonna plant some of the tulips here. And these I just potted them, put them there because I got them now the other day. And then these I also got from my friends who have a nursery. And I've got these bed of paradise. I've got 6 of them. And here I've got these gazanias. I had a line of them, but some of them died here because of the rains we had. They don't like too much water, so you can see now they are very sparse. I love this color, this what do you call it, this color? I don't know, it's like a burnt orange, but I love it. I always had the yellow ones. And then the pink ones I got also last year spring. You can see the space here in between. So summertime I need to plant more of them here, and they are really beautiful ones. The once they are filled like very closely, like these ones here, like those, and they look very nice. And then I've got a peony root there, that one that is peeking through. It's a peony root I got from Adin Flowers. And then here, going all the way, and then I've got this what do you call this, Prince, oh geez, I'm forgetting them. I'll put the name on the screen, you guys. And then some aloes there, some more flowers here, a rose bush, and there's the other plant that I got, the hydrangea that I got from Adin Flowers. And then I've got all these. This one I got from my mother-in-law for my birthday. It's very beautiful color. I can't remember the name of this type of flower, but she gave me 2 of them. I planted the other one there in between these grasses and it died. So yeah, I'm just quickly gonna give you guys an overview of, excuse me, of how the garden really looks like. Guys, I'm just gonna give you an overview of the garden now, and then I'm just gonna get into the part of covering the plants.